So he came over here. Let me give y'all history. He came over here and got a fuel sample. Right there. Okay, then he put it in this jar. This came in, no start. We pushed it in. He pushed it in. All right, so the first thing he went to was a fuel sample. And y'all see what I just showed you. Let me go get some more. What?
That's gasoline.
No, it ain't.
Yes, sir.
Diesel don't burn.
No.
That's not burning like that. Wait,
Diesel
you
don't
put it
light
out.
like, diesel don't light like that.
So, all fuel lights.
Diesel does not light like that.
But it lights.
100, that's why I got my Ray Tag. But it's battery set. Diesel has to get to like 140 degrees before it'll pop off.
So what was the plan? To measure the
watch.
temperature of this?
Back up.
What, you got some real diesel here? We gotta compare.
I don't know if there's any in here.
Dude, always keep a half a gallon of diesel around.
Okay.
So pull this out and put that in there.
Nope.
Oh, you got a different one? I wanna see. So you finna compare.
Only because you're here. Wasting my time with you.
That ain't enough, is it?
I mean, it won't light.
Oh, you're right.
But
that's the temperature ain't
Well, look.
up to par.
if I warm it up, it'll light.
Oh, so temperature matters.
Temperature matters.
Okay, that's cold then.
This just lights.
That's probably cause it's hot.
Gasoline.
Okay, you gonna put it out?
You're gonna let it burn out.
Wait, something ain't making sense. So you saying this diesel got gas in it?
See, diesel don't light.
But that's cold, Joe. Don't confuse the two.
What?
That's cold. You just got it out of your bucket.
Right. That's cold. I just got it out of the tank.
Wasn't that running? You drove it in.
They pushed it in. It don't drive.
Oh, it won't start. See?
Yeah, because I got it hot.
It's
Touch
similar.
It's hot. Don't touch it, but it's hot.
So you suspecting that diesel got gas in it?
Watch.
Joe, I just learned something. And Joe don't keep enough diesel over here.
Don't light.
Oh, come on.
It don't light. Once it gets to temperature, it'll light. That's why, the old guys will throw a cigarette in a diesel and it just puts the cigarette out because it's got to get hot.
So what conclusion have you come to? This truck
Dude,
won't
put gasoline in it.
No! Oh my God. Gasoline don't go in a turbo diesel engine. All right, this guy came over here and got that fuel. Yeah.
I can't smell it. Get a whiff of that.
Get a whiff of what?
I can smell that. Smells like gasoline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, so that's the best way.
Woo!
What, you diagnosed it right? Taste it and see what it tastes like.
Huh? You can hold it. What's that smell like?
Joe pretty damn good.
Yeah. It's a diesel.
Hey, if you don't pay attention to that, you would think it's a gasoline truck. So what's the conclusion? What you gonna recommend?
6 hours drop the tank.
Yeah.
Go back to diesel.
Fill it.
1.4 to replace both fuel filters.
Both fuel filters got to be replaced. So what if the gas made it to the engine? What if the fuel made it to the engine? It did? That's why it won't start. So how you gonna get it to start? I know you're gonna put diesel in it.
Diesel in it and hope it doesn't need an injection pump or a fucking.
Ooh, there's a chance it could need all that shit.
I don't know. What's gasoline gonna do? It might.
Damn, man. That's crazy. Poor guy. I thought the nozzle won't allow you to put
Diesel in gas. But you can put gas in diesel all day long.
You can put gas in diesel. Damn. You good, Joe. Dude, anybody else?
I'm good at Jason.
No, listen. Anybody else would have brought it in and scanned it. What would that lead them to?
I did.
Oh, you scanned it, you found codes for what?
Cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 misfires. Cylinder 1, 2, and sorry. Cylinder 1, 2, 3, injector 4, 5, and 6 injectors open. Ooh. And then cylinder 1, 2, and 3 cylinder misfires.
So what led you to a fuel sample?
The guy said he got diesel, went 100 miles, and started running like shit.
After he got gas. That's an indication for your ass.
After he got.
Maybe it's the pump's fault. Maybe it's the gas station fault. Maybe the truck loaded the wrong shit in the.
That's possible.
Yeah, that's possible. Open this. Ah, come on, man. Gasoline don't work in these people.
Gasolina.
Oh my goodness. No gasolina. It don't work in these. What, there's more? Damn.
Injector out. It's not all of them. Injector 1 circuit open.
Ooh, that's the
Injector
code.
3 circuit open. Injector 4 circuit open. Injector 5 circuit open.
Yeah, man.
Injector 6 circuit
I
open.
still want to know how that led you to a
1, 2, and
fuel.
3 misfire. Multi-cylinder misfire.
How did that lead you to a fuel sample? Because you've seen that, been there and done that. Man.
Yeah.
Now.
And the fact that he said
Oh, yeah.
it started running off about 100 miles after I got full tank.
Now, we got to make this idiot proof. Look at all this green right here. It says right here, plain as day. Diesel. How do you get that wrong? Joe, it says diesel, green.
Yeah, it says DEF too, but people still swap those around.
So what does it take to get people to pay attention? Again, we blaming the customers. This could very well be the gas station fault. All right, I smell a lawsuit. You need to call Johnny Cocker. All right, that's enough, guys. So y'all got the picture. My man he over there writing up the estimate. They gonna drop the tank, remove all the gasoline out of it, go back in with diesel and go from there. Yeah, this is a self-inflicting wound. This has nothing to do with. I know some of y'all still gonna find a way to blame it on Dodge Ram sucks. So it ain't got nothing to do with Ram. It's a self-inflicting wound. All right, very well could be a gas station wound. All right, but we're gonna find out. All right, I gotta go. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.